Hello dear friends, dear subscribers and guests of my channel Techno Hello. Today we'll be unboxing in English language. You will be waiting for this unboxing so for long. Less words, more action. I think it's time to start unpacking. Watch are a few ladies and very more numerous gentlemen. It's time to tell you about the product which is in this box. I start tell you which the fact what this product came to me from AliExpress. Like most majority of goods and items in all unpacking, an example in Russian language. In this channel Techno Hello, my channel Techno Hello for you, only for you, special for you. No matter how strange, this is a good motherboard. But this motherboard was good for the price at which I took it. I buy it this motherboard in a good price. Now it has risen, in price quite a lot. Of $20 as want I say to say for you, and it is no longer such an interesting acquisition. But still, this is not a bad motherboard, has a dual channel memory controller, despite the fact that it has 4 slots for RAM. All 4 RAM slots will work in only 2 channels. You must understand this watch when you take a motherboard with 4 slots of RAM for RAM. Do not always think where are 4 channels. For plus, I want to note what it is best to use server RAM with such motherboards. All links and hyperlinks to all components and any products purchased from AliExpress you get just by writing to me, and in any way convenient for you. Questions regarding to the use of this motherboard you can ask me in any languages. Google Translate always helps me. If you liked my video, click like button. It motivates me to move on, go on, must go on. Leave your comments, suggestions, and any comments in the comments of this video. I will be very interested to read them. If anyone is interested, I'm doing editing video in Movavi program. Watch this video to the end, please. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye. See you soon. I was very happy to try myself in such a guest.